Welcome to Mama My Strength. Let's beautify our life by cleaning, organizing, and decorating. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the bell icon. My day to night, daily, and deep cleaning routine with tips. For tips, have a timetable, divide your task, include kids and spouse in cleaning, put things where they belong, don't leave it for later, do food preparing and cleaning at night. These habits will make your life stress-free. Friends, I clean my bathroom daily but change bathroom mats, towels and do deep cleaning every week. Next, I clean and vacuum my bedroom daily in the morning, but I don't change my beddings, and also heat or dry heat all pillows every week. I do this because I like to have a nice bedroom, as you can see, and I do tuck in all the blankets under the sheet, under the flat sheet. And this is what my bedroom looks like. Here I am doing the vacuum. As mentioned that I prefer cleaning my bedroom in the morning. And yes, I vacuum daily. I dry all the pillows in the dryer every week to kill the germs. I wash and dry all my laundries in the evening, fold them at night or next day morning, and also hang them. My nighttime cleaning routine starts straight after dinner, and I clean my kitchen daily, but I do my deep cleaning once every week. And while cleaning, I make sure that I vacuum my kitchen daily as well as mop. And I use vinegar with water, a DIY solution that I normally use to clean my countertops and tabletops. And for deep cleaning, I use Clorox wipes. So here I am cleaning my kitchen. Plus, I also do the dishes. I also make sure that my stove tops are very nicely cleaned so that the next morning I don't have to worry about cleaning my kitchen. And when I get up, I see a nice and beautiful kitchen and I can start my morning fresh. Friends, I also like to do food prepping in advance, especially in the evening, so that my next day's cooking or the week's cooking becomes much easier, and I also save time. Friends, do note, if you really want to have a nice clean home, make sure that you do not save clutter. Put all the trash or things that you don't need away and put the things back at the right places so that you don't have to do them later. Plus, involve your family members to help you in cleaning so that you are not task overloaded, and also save your time. If you have a big house, then please divide your cleaning routines into sections and use a timetable on days which you would like to clean those sections. After cleaning my kitchen, I also vacuum and tidy my living area and dining area. I make sure that my living and dining area looks clean and tidy, and in the morning I don't have to do vacuum in the living area or dining area. I also encourage my daughter to clean her toe area before she goes to bed. Friends, practice daily cleaning routines so that when virus like corona comes, you don't have to start doing your deep cleaning at that time because you are doing your cleaning every day. Before going to bed, I also unload my dishwasher and put all the dishes back and wipe the ones that needs to be wiped, so that in the morning I have less tasks to do and only focus on cooking and my family needs. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe. Thank you.